You put him in there. Take him for a ride. Careful with your fingers. Okay, take him for a ride. Probably want to pull, not push. Can you pull? There you go. Good job.
Take him over here.
So we folded the laundry. And this is how Riley plays with Spike. Oh, careful with your fingers. Oh, did he get you? His hand. You okay? What?